Welcome to Gabby's Fidget Playtime. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Advent Calendar number 10. And I'm going to show you all the ones starting from 1 to 9. So, number 1 is corn. Number 2, a monster. Number 3, another monster. And then number 4 is this little corn, this little snowman. And then number 5 is, this might be number 4 or number 5. So number 5 or number 4 is a monster. Then number 6 is a dragon. Wait, no, number 6 is that shark monster. Then number 7 is this number 8. No, number 7. Number 7 is this dragon, and then number 8 is this ghost. Then number 9 is this pig. Now I'm gonna move these to the side. And 3, 2, and now I'm gonna push it. 3, 2, 1, punch. I think I did it, guys. Yeah, I did it. Yay! There, we got it. Let's see what I got. I got a little dragon with the spikes on it that doesn't hurt, and the wings, the dragon frog, and now I'm going to play with all of them 1 to 10. I'm so glad that Piggy won, and I'm about to get Piggy. Piggy, yes. Congratulations. I'm going to get you a new pet. Okay. I'm going to go get your friends first. Now you can play for friends. Turn them over, please. Yes, please. Thank you for turning them over. So proud of you. Now, get it go. Can you buy this? Okay. So, I'm gonna surprise her. Piggy, close your eyes. And now open them. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. You want to play with it? Yeah. Jump. Can I jump? Jump. And guys, today is actually day 10. Jump. Well guys, this is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.